Tired of getting this message? App can't be opened because it's from an unidentified developer. In this video, I'll show you how to install any app on your Mac, third-party, blocked, or even completely outside the App Store, safely and step-by-step.
Step 1. Open your browser and go to the search bar. Type the name of the software you want to install. In the search results, make sure to click on the official website of that software. Step 2. Once on the official site, look for the Download button. Click it. The file will start downloading, usually in .dmg format. Step 3. After the download finishes, go to your Downloads folder. Double-click the DMG file to open it. Step 4. You'll see a window with the software icon and an Applications folder. Simply drag the software icon into the Applications folder. Wait a few seconds for it to transfer completely. Step 5. Now you'll notice a new installer icon on your desktop. This is temporary. Right-click it and select Eject. You no longer need it. Step 6. Open Launchpad. You'll find your new application ready to use.